Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I got something a little different to share with you. It is not a subscription box, but it is a one-time purchase right now. We'll see how it goes. But I have been seeing online, like in the F place, the YouTube, social media, this company called Flax and Twine. And it is a company that is selling these kits where you can make, in this instance, I selected a vase, and I'm not sure if it's called crochet, if it's knitting. I'm not really quite sure because I don't currently know how to do any of that, but I still wanted to try this. So I purchased this one-time kit to make the Margaret vase. Now this kit was $38 and I did have to pay shipping and handling, and that was $9.50. So this cost $47.50. Now I did open the box and it comes with this little card where they're thanking me for my purchase, and let's check it out. Let me see here. I like crafty stuff. I haven't gotten to go on here and share my wax melting, or not wax melting, but my wax seals yet, because I'm not sure how to do it so it's not boring. I'll figure it out. But all right, so here's the box. Now this is what the vase is supposed to look like when it's done. And again, this is the Margaret vase kit by Flax with an X and Twine. So let's open it to see what all is in here. Well, it says the kit includes one hank, flax, and twine, 3 millimeters, a Bria cotton rope, stitch marker, and it gives it a size, crochet. So I guess I'm going to be crocheting. So we did get a hook, and then a Margaret vase planter and a video. And I think the glass vase is in here as well, because I think that's kind of what helps hold. Oh my goodness, this is really, all right, what else, what am I not doing right here? Huh. You guys, I have no idea, but those are just not wanting. Oh, you guys. Apparently, I was supposed to be opening it this way. Oopsie daisy. Okay, so what is in here? So what initially I saw online was advertisements to make these bowls. Now, on the back here are other items that you can make. And then again, here is what I'm going to be making, you guys. That's what I'm supposed to be making. So I am getting the instructions. So it's saying, time required, and it gives you a video link. And it says, for beginner crochet instructions and more details, please see the video link. I'm going to be seeing the video link because I've never done this before. But it shows me pictures for how I'm supposed to do this. Okay. And I like that I'm getting a video link. And then, so I guess this is the crochet hook, I guess. And it does say Flax and Twine on the bottom. And I guess it's 11 and a half, is this millimeter? Okay. And then here I mean, you guys, I really hope that I'm able to do this. And even if it's not perfect the first time, if I like doing it, I totally am going to order more of these. Okay, sorry, it's a little loud. So you are getting the vase. And then I'm assuming this must be the rope and the twine. Okay, and this. This is it, you guys. So I got this, and I got this, and I got this, and I'm supposed to end up with this. Okay, I'm laughing to myself because I'm like, how the heck is mine gonna look like this? I don't know. Well, we will see. So we are going to now fast forward in the future, and here is what the finished product looks like.